Hi, thanks for contacting me. I'm going to show you the steps I wrote out on how to how to find and access Coursera in order to learn how to speak this language you want to learn, Korean. So first on the library homepage, we're going to click on search at the top right here in white. Then in the search, we're going to enter course, oops, Coursera and click for search. Then of the first results, we're going to just click open courses here. Okay, and then we go here, and then right here, we're going to click Coursera in blue right underneath the same name in black. Then on the Coursera homepage, up here at the top left in blue, we're going to highlight Explore. Then we're going to go down here to Language Learning, then go off to the right here to Free Courses. Okay, now we're going to repeat the step and go back up, and we're going to go down to Language Learning again. But this time, we're going to click on Korean over here on the right. Okay, so now you have some results related to Korean, and now you can start depending on your which level you're at. And you said you want free, and let's say you're a beginner, so let's click on this, and here it is. Um, so you should be able to figure it out depending on what you want. And if you have any more questions, feel free to ask. I'll be right here to help you. Thanks.